Hi, my name is Ben Andrews from SafeWork, and I'm going to show you how to set mandatory risk assessments and mandatory safety briefings. When I developed the system, I realized that some risk assessments were an absolute must for all individuals. So you can see here we've got a list of 38 risk assessments and 5 mandatory risk assessments. As health and safety professionals, or as office managers or people responsible for health and safety, you will find mandatory really useful, because it's a very quick way of getting an overview of your organisation, and is really useful for managers to know exactly what they need their staff to read or their employees to read. So what are mandatory risk assessments? Mandatory risk assessments are any risk assessment or pieces of guidance or training that you deem as absolutely necessary for your employees' health and safety. The way we set mandatory risk assessments is very simple. We will click Admin, we will click Mandatory Settings, and next to our list of risk assessments, we will click Edit, and we'll select the risk assessments that we deem as mandatory. This be as many as you deem necessary. So I'm going to tick occupational driving, and then I'm going to press save, and automatically, if I go back to risk assessment, we will see that occupational driving is now mandatory. We will also see on our home page and on all users' home page that mandatory risk assessments have gone from 1 to 6. It's exactly the same if you want to make a safety briefing mandatory. We will click Mandatory Settings, we will click Edit, and we will click Safety Briefings, and we will click any title of the safety briefing we want to be mandatory, and then we'll click Save. That's how we make mandatory settings against risk assessments and safety briefings. Very simple, very quick way of getting a very good overview of your employees' health and safety compliance. I'm Ben Andrews. If you have any feedback, please email me at info@my-safework.co.uk. Hope you find this useful. Look forward to hearing from you.